How to find my Gmail password on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, we will launch Gmail application on your device and log into your account. Simply tap on your profile icon at top right and you will get access to this page where you have to choose manage your Google account. Now from this page, you have to simply scroll and choose security button. Scroll to the bottom and find out Password Manager and tap Manage Password. Now from this Password Manager page, you have to scroll down. Tap on google.com and then enter your screen lock. And from here, you can easily view your password of Gmail ID. So, I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.